Your brain automatically ignores 99% of what you see and hear every single day. If it didn't, your mind would overload. To build an artificial intelligence, computer scientists had to teach machines how to ignore things too. In the last video, we learned that to a computer, an image is just a massive spreadsheet of millions of numbers. But when an AI looks at those millions of numbers, how does it know which ones actually matter? It uses a mathematical volume knob. Let's look at how AI makes decisions. Imagine we want our AI to recognize this apple. We feed the entire image into the computer, but there is a huge problem. Most of these numbers are useless. The pixels for the wooden table? Useless. The pixels for the blurry trees in the background? Complete noise. If the machine treats every single number with equal importance, it will get confused and fail. It needs a way to turn up the volume on the red apple pixels and mute the background pixels completely. But how AI can do that? This is where we introduced weights. In machine learning, a weight is literally just a mathematical volume knob attached to every single piece of data. If a feature is highly important for finding our pattern, like the color red, the AI assigns it a high weight. It multiplies that number to make it louder. If a feature is useless noise, like the wooden table, the AI assigns it a weight of 0. It multiplies it by 0, completely muting it out of existence. The AI literally filters reality by twisting millions of these digital knobs. Let's experience how this math works in real time. I built a tiny AI inside a Google Sheet to detect spam emails. We're feeding it 3 words: hello, discount, and urgent. Right now, all the volume knobs are set to 0. The AI is deaf. But watch what happens when I adjust the weights. The word hello is common, so I give it a low weight of 1. It doesn't mean much. But scammers love the words discount and urgent, so I assign them massive weights. I just turn their volume up. Now, when the AI calculates the math, those 2 words dominate the equation, and the AI instantly predicts this is spam. This is the secret to all AI decision-making. ChatGPT has over 1 trillion of these mathematical volume knobs adjusting the importance of every word it generates. I put a link to this exact Google Sheet in the description. Go make a copy, change the weights yourself, and watch how the AI's brain changes its mind. But this leaves us with the biggest mystery in computer science. When you build a brand new AI, it doesn't know what the weights should be. All the knobs start at 0. So how does the machine learn to slide them to the exact right positions all by itself? That is the magic of training, and we will visualize it in the next video.